Hello students, in previous classes we have learned about default constructor, its declaration and default constructor used in program. In today's class we will learn parameterized constructor. There is a second type of constructor. A constructor that takes one or more arguments is called parameterized constructor. Means a constructor with one or more arguments are declared is called parameterized constructor. And using this constructor, it is possible to initialize different objects with different values. And constructors are also invoked automatically whenever objects with arguments are created. And the following syntax is same using class keyword and class name. In public method, the parameterized constructor is created using the same name of the class name with the number of arguments, one or more arguments list. This is called parameterized constructor and it has a executable statements, means it initialized objects with argument values, and the class is ended by using terminator. The sum of features of the parameterized constructors are: parameterized constructors can be overloaded. Parameterized constructors can be overloaded. Overloaded means having the same constructor name with the different argument list of values is called parameterized constructor overloading. Yes, you know what is function overloading. Yes, in function overloading, there it has a one function name with different values. Yes, same here when you are invoking a parameterized constructor as overloaded means having the same constructor name with different argument values. Next, constructors only one argument is invoked and executed. For an object created with one argument that invokes only one argument and only one argument is executed at the same time. And parameterized constructors can have default values for default constructor. Yes, suppose the parameter constructor has 0 argument, then it is act as default constructor. Suppose it has one or more argument, then it act as parameterized constructor. These are the key points of parameterized constructor. Constructors. A constructor is invoked automatically by C++ compiler with an object declaration. A constructor can be invoked through the following methods: explicit call, implicit call, initialization at the time of declaration with assignment operator. The parameterized constructor follows 3 methods: explicit call, implicit call and initialization at the time of declaration using assignment operator. Okay, we'll see our first method, that is explicit call. In explicit call, the object is declared by following the assignment operator, class name and argument list with different values enclosed in parentheses. Okay, it is called explicit call. Yes, we see a program to use parameterized constructor through explicit call. To write this program, we have to follow declaration of header files using the keyword #include. It includes input output string header file, consolidated input output header file and input output manipulator header file. To devices to the program file and to execute the consolidated input statement and consolidated output statement which are used in the program and to manipulate the manipulators which are used in the program. Next, it creates a class num using the keyword class. In private section, we declare two data members A and B with the data type integer. In public section, parameterized constructor is defined and declared using the class name num and two argument list P and Q, and these two arguments are declared with the data type int, and A is equal to P means P argument is assigned to the A, B is equal to Q, Q is assigned to the variable B. Then here the parameterized constructor is enclosed in the next member function, that is display is defined inside the class to display A and B value using the consolidated output statement. In the main function, here the argument values are passed through explicit call using constructor name and assignment operator. Then to call display function, two objects are created, obj1, obj2 using the class name num. Using these two objects, the member function display is called two times. We press the program how it executes statement one by one. The program execution always starts from main function. Here in main function, first it reads the statement num obj1 is equal to num 10, 20 and semicolon. Here using the assignment operator and constructor name and argument list enclosed in parentheses, the parameterized constructor is initialized through explicit call. And num obj2 assignment operator, constructor name, argument list 40 and 50 enclosed in parentheses, and again parameterized constructor are initialized through explicit call with different values. Yes, when this statement executes, that is num obj1 is equal to num 10, 20, then it automatically calls parameterized constructor, that is defined and declared inside the class. Here P value is read as 10, then Q value is read as 20. Yes, P value is read as 10, Q value is read as 20. Next movement, the P value is assigned to the variable A. Now A is holding the value 10. Then Q value is assigned to the variable B. Now B is holding the value 20. Next, it ends the parameterized constructor and goes to the main function. And next statement num obj2 is equal to num 40, 50 using second object with the assignment operator and constructor name and different argument values enclosed in parentheses. One more time, parameterized constructor is called. Again, P value is assigned as 40, Q value is assigned as 50. In the next movement, P is assigned to the variable A and Q is assigned to the variable B. Now A is 40, B is 50. Okay. A is 10 and B is 20 at the time of using object 1. A is 40, B is 50 at the time of using object 2. Yes, the parameterized constructor is invoked twice using two objects and different values initialized with the different objects. In the next statement, see out first equal to B. Value is 20. Okay. In the next, again one more statement is executed. See out second construction. Second construction. Obj 2 dot display. The member function display. One more time it is called by using the second object, and the control statement directly connects to the display function and executes the following statement, that is CO A is equal to A and B is equal to B. A is equal to 40 because object 2, using object 2 we are calling the member function display. Therefore, the A value is displayed as 40 and B value is displayed as 50. And here the member function ends and the control statement comes back to the main function. Then it gets the character values to the screen using getCH function. Then it ends the execution of the program. This is how we use a method explicit call to initialize the objects with the different argument values using parameterized constructor.